COVID-19 infections are down as more and more Idahoans receive their vaccinations. Our Ricardo Coronado looks at the effort to ensure doses are fairly distributed.
State health officials are preparing to gather and publish race and ethnicity data of people receiving the COVID-19 vaccine.
We do have the capability to accept or add race and ethnicity into IRIS, it's our immunization registry. This is not a mandatory field for the patients to report.
Elke Shaw-Tulloch, Public Health Administrator, says medical vaccine providers would have to submit information to the state if patients provided their race or ethnicity.
So we're currently reviewing that data that we do have in our system to determine the best way to make that publicly available, given those limitations. And so while we hope to have this posted this week.
The Department of Health and Welfare has vaccine administration transparency data, which shows the number of doses distributed and administered from vaccine providers. Shaw-Tulloch says the race and ethnicity data can be used to ensure equity in COVID distributions.
We can then use that at the state level to really look at where we see maybe gaps in service for people of racial and ethnic minorities, and where we need to put a special emphasis, because we want to make sure that to get the vaccine out as quickly as possible, but also make sure that we're getting it out as equitably as possible.
Today, Health and Welfare said it would require people to submit proof of residency or workplace in the state to schedule an appointment for the COVID vaccine. Officials encourage people who are eligible, regardless of citizenship or immigration status, to get the vaccine. They say any documents provided will not be copied or recorded.
We do estimate that there's about 38,000 to 41,000 people who work in Idaho but don't live in Idaho. They could still get vaccinated here. And to date, as near as we can tell, about 4,800 people have been vaccinated who didn't live or work in Idaho. And we want to make sure we get those vaccines in the arms of those who live or work here.
Ricardo Coronado, Idaho News 6.